Um, First, I believe we need to get rid of Obamacare. I mean, there are a couple of provisions of Obamacare, which is, that I know are very popular and make some sense. I mean, allowing people to stay on their parents' insurance and the like. Pre-existing condition issue is a very important issue. All of those need to be taken care of in whatever the new bill is. But the idea of having, in a sense, leading to a single-payer government on healthcare. If you look at what's happening under Obamacare, you're seeing these massive consolidation of healthcare companies, and the reason is because it's just prohibitively expensive to, under a variety of things like the minimum loss ratio and several other things that Obamacare does, that makes it just impossible for smaller insurance companies to survive. And Obamacare was designed that way. It's designed to consolidate the health insurance industry and then step back and say, see, there's no competition, rates are going up, we need a government-run system. So it's designed to fail. In fact, every insurance company that Obamacare created, and they did, they went out and created a whole bunch of companies and gave them money, gave them government grants to start insurance companies to compete, they've all gone bankrupt. The bottom line is this is a failed system, and it's going to continue to fail until we move into a system that says, let's get government out of this. Let's have the government's role be to support private businesses to be able to provide insurance with the same tax incentives we have in place, and provide a similar tax incentive to those who don't have employer-provided insurance, whether it's $1,000 or $2,000, whatever the case may be, an amount of money that's a refundable tax credit that every individual, whether you have if you don't have employer-provided insurance, can go out and use to purchase insurance. I'm a big proponent of health savings accounts. In fact, I was the author of them. I was the one that brought that idea into the Congress. I was a proponent of it for the last 20 years. You combine health savings accounts with a high deductible plan with a contribution from the federal government to get to everybody who doesn't have employer-provided health insurance to go out and buy their own health insurance in a market that allows for competition and choice. You'll dramatically expand the insured pool from the old system in place, and you'll get the government out of the business. You'll have a lot more competition and quality of care and better access to care.